Hey there, it's Tia, aka Everyday Monet, and in this video, I'm talking about the top 5 reasons I hate limited edition. Let's get started. Number 5 is I feel like sometimes limited edition pushes me away because I know like I might not be able to get it, or I don't like that whole like pressure, like you have to buy it now, right now, and then if it sells out, like I don't like that part of it. Number 4 is that limited edition can be confusing because sometimes when companies do limited edition, the quality is really lacking. So in my mind, I'm kind of like, forget the whole limited edition and putting money and time into like churning out these like short-term products. Why not expand some of your permanent products and fix maybe some issues that they have there? So like that really kind of turns me off sometimes with limited edition. Number 3 is if it's that good, why take it away? You are seeing some companies now, like I know Colored Rain with the Queen of Hearts palette has made that permanent, and there's some other companies where, it was so good that they ended up making it permanent, which like the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, which I own and love, which then it's like, okay, that's awesome. However, a lot of people really were after those palettes because they thought they were limited edition, and then you make them permanent. Yeah, so it's like if it's awesome, just make it permanent, and then people can get it when they want to get it, and they can continue to get it when they love it and they run out of it, or they run through it, or they want to give it for gifts or what have you. Number 2 kind of goes along with one of the other ones, but it's like limited edition sometimes makes me a little skeptical. I am a lover of Too Faced, but the truth of the matter is Too Faced likes to churn it out. They have a lot of limited edition, short-term type situations. Their permanent products, I think, are always pretty awesome. I really love them, and some of their limited edition I've loved too, but it's so hit and miss. It's like, how can you be that good if you're churning out limited edition products that you don't test for a long time, that you don't work the bugs out, that you don't reformulate? Like, it just seems a little bit shady, I guess. And then the top number 1 reason why I hate limited edition is it's so much pressure. Like, I am a makeup junkie, probably. I'm trying to be a recovered junkie, and I do think that I have fallen into that limited edition, gotta get it sort of hype. Now my collection is so diverse and so expansive that I can really think, okay, is there a hole? Like, would this fill this hole for me? Like, I can think more clearly. But when I was first starting my makeup collection, like if it said limited edition, I was like freaking out because I'm like, I gotta get it. And then when I wanted to start my YouTube channel, I'm like, oh my gosh, I see the love-hate thing with when you're doing YouTube having limited edition, because you want to review products for people or use products that they might like or what have you, but then it's also like the shelf life of a video like that is really short, and when you have so much limited edition and then also so much new products, it's just really difficult to keep up and like want to do that. And then you can't do a tutorial with limited edition. I mean, yes, people have bought it and they can use it, but other than that, I don't know. It's just pressure, and I don't like pressure. Those are my top 5 reasons why I don't like limited edition. Let me know down below, do you like limited edition? Do you not? I actually love limited edition products, but there's reasons I kind of shy away from them sometimes. So share that with me. I'd love to hear your opinion, read your opinion, talk to you about your opinion. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.